Welcome to the front lines of defense. This is Indian Defense Affairs.
Stealth race in South Asia. India's 5th-gen fighter AMCA versus Pakistan's 5th-gen fighter aspirations. The strategic air equation in South Asia is entering a critical transformation phase. For decades, the aerial balance of power has hinged on 4th and 4.5 generation multi-role platforms. Today, both New Delhi and Islamabad are looking toward the horizon of 5th generation air dominance. However, their pathways, industrial depths, and strategic frameworks reflect entirely different realities, pitting India's indigenous design ambitions against Pakistan's strategic defense partnerships and acquisition models. Divergent paths, indigenous R&D versus strategic procurement. The core distinction between the two nations' approaches lies in how they plan to field stealth capabilities. India's path, the AMCA Route India strategy, is anchored in deep domestic research, development, and manufacturing. Spearheaded by the Aeronautical Development Agency, ADA, the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, AMCA, is a heavy twin-engine, stealth fighter program. Designed completely from scratch, India's approach prioritizes sovereign intellectual material engineering, despite the protracted timelines inherent to complex aerospace design. Pakistan's path, the acquisition and partnership route. Pakistan's trajectory toward 5th generation capability relies heavily on external partnerships, primarily its deep-rooted defense alignment with China. While Islamabad previously conceptualized long-term domestic design goals under Project AESA, its immediate operational leap into advanced stealth relies on foreign platforms, notably discussions and strategic positioning surrounding advanced Chinese hardware like the Shenyang J-35 series. At the heart of any 5th-generation fighter program is the engine, an engineering summit that dictates supercruise capabilities and thermal management. Point for India: securing reliable power plant technology while simultaneously trying to build a sovereign jet engine remains a high-stakes hurdle. While initial batches are planned around imported power plants with technology transfer clauses, the true test of the AMCA rests on freeing itself from external supply chains. Point for Pakistan: bypassing the grueling decades-long R&D cycle of building a domestic aerospace industrial complex allows for a faster operational induction timeline. By leaning on foreign state-of-the-art manufacturing ecosystems, Islamabad aims to offset regional air defense upgrades rapidly, though it trades away total sovereign control over hardware modifications and source codes. Conclusion: the future air power contest in South Asia is a study in contrasting philosophies. India is walking the arduous, expensive road of technological self-reliance with the AMCA, aiming to secure an enduring domestic defense industrial base. Meanwhile, Pakistan utilizes pragmatic defense diplomacy and strategic procurement to bridge the technology gap on an accelerated timeline. Ultimately, the regional balance will not just be decided by who fields a stealth airframe first, but by who masters sensor fusion, software maintenance, and weapon integration in a high-threat battle space.
This is Indian Defense Affairs.